Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. Today I'm going to be guiding you through how to add music in CapCut. So in order to do that, first of all, open up the CapCut application and tap on New Project. Select the video from your device's camera roll where you want to add the music. After selecting the video, tap on Add at the bottom right, and you will then be able to open up the timeline. Here, you can go ahead and edit your video by adding effects, filters, and so on. And after you are done with the edits, go ahead and tap on Audio at the bottom of the screen. Now, you'll see several options such as sounds, brand music, copyright, etc. If you want to add CapCut's built-in music library onto your video, simply select Sounds. And then from the categories, go ahead and select the music that you'd like to add. You can also go ahead and select different genre of music by tapping on the genre at the top of the screen. And then from the list of available music, go ahead and select one of the music. First of all, tap on the download button right next to the music, and you will then be able to play the music before you add it onto your video. After making a selection, simply tap on the plus button right next to the selected music, and you will then be able to add the music onto your video timeline. A music layer will appear right underneath your video layer. You can also add audio effects by selecting the music timeline, split the audio, fade, increase or decrease the volume of the audio, and so on. Just make sure that the video and the audio layer matches in the timeline. You can drag the little slider and make it parallel with your video, and once you do that, your video now has a music that fits the mood and tells the story you want. So that is how you can easily add music to your video in CapCut. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more CapCut tutorials. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.